Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we will explore BigBear.ai Holdings in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, and we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Discover the potential of AI and receive free price predictions along with in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is solely for informational purposes and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 7th of November, 2024, our system has classified BigBear.ai Holdings as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.84. Now let's review the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 62.54% since we initially recommended purchasing BigBear.ai Holdings 30 days ago. This results in an average return of 2.08% per day since it was designated as hold accumulate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 72.52% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between 40.96% and 136.85%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of around negative 3.3% over the next year, with potential returns between negative 61.35% and 44.5%. This translates to a price range of about $1.09 to $4.07 after a year. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings includes the headline: Volatile ride for BigBear.ai Holdings stock price on Thursday, moving between $2.80 and $3.71. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock price fell by nearly 10% on the last day, Thursday, the 19th of December, 2024, dropping from $3.13 to $2.82. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 32.5%, with a low of $2.80 and a high of $3.71. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 1.4% over this period. Volume increased on the last day by 9 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, suggesting that the risk may increase slightly in the next couple of days. In total, 79 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $223,300,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $4.79, while the lowest was $1.17. Currently, the price sits 41.13% or $1.97 below the 52-week high, and 82.51% or $13.30 below the all-time high reached on the 6th of April 2022, when the price peaked at $16.12. BigBear.ai's stock is experiencing a notable decline, falling by nearly 7% in today's trading, while the broader market remains resilient, with the S&P 500 and NASDAQ both showing gains. This downturn follows a period of recent volatility, which included a significant surge earlier this week. Importantly, the company has secured a position on the General Services Administration's Oasis Plus contract, which could enhance its profile in federal procurement, potentially leading to revenue growth from government contracts in the future. However, the recent structuring of convertible senior notes to extend their maturity may signal challenges in cash flow management that could raise concerns among investors. The contrast between today's losses and the recent contract win presents a complex scenario for BigBear.ai. While long-term prospects remain supported by government contracts and collaborations in the defense sector, short-term price volatility may continue as market sentiment responds to immediate financial restructuring and the stock's recent performance. Investors are encouraged to closely monitor these developments for insights into BigBear.ai's trajectory as we approach the year 2025. Analyst Ratings. On Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned a buy grade to BBAI, along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. The stock of BigBear.ai Holdings is currently showing a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this creates an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive forecast. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $2.92. Conversely, should the stock decline, it will find support from the long-term average at around $2.31. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will signal a sell. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, the 9th of December, 2024, and the stock has already decreased by 23.06%. Further declines may occur until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, trading volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor this stock more closely moving forward. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots displayed a sell signal 9 days ago. Bollinger presented a buy signal 48 days ago. The short-term moving average gave a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 32 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 49 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average signaled a buy 33 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy 56 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 71 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $2.66 and $2.61. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, BigBear.ai Holdings has support just below today's level at $2.66. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $2.61 and $2.19. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 91 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 32.5%. For the past week, the stock's daily average volatility has been 22.7%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistent negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of March, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -5 cents. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $2.99. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings encounters its first support level at $2.66. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by BBAI Ultimate Holdings, LLC, who bought and sold 17,760,908 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of -93.028. In total, insiders acquired 4,182,545 shares and disposed of 97,966,740 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $2.68, reflecting a decrease of 4.88%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which contributes to a significant level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 8 days ago. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? BigBear.ai Holdings presents several positive signals. However, these are not sufficient for us to classify it as a buy candidate. Currently, it is more appropriate to consider it as a hold candidate, suggesting that you either hold or accumulate your position while we await further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate stance since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 20th of December, we anticipate that BigBear.ai Holdings will open at 290 cents and begin trading at $3.11. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. We strongly encourage you to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.